Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today is 18th of September 2020 and here is Javeed with the new chapter of class 10th subject mathematics that is known as the polynomials. Dear students, before going through the polynomials, you must know what the constant and variables are. Constant and variables are. Dear viewers, the value of a constant, it remains the same throughout in a particular situation. That is, the value of constant does not change in a problem. So it means constant, and whatever the constant we have, it has a fixed value and its value does not change in a problem. So we can say it does not change. Value of constant does not change. Does not change any problem. Well, as the second thing, that is the variable. Dear students, the English letters such as X, Y, Z and etc. which we are used to denote the variables. These English letters we are using in a problem to denote the variables, and the value of these variables keep changing. That is why it has been derived from the word that is known as variant, and variant means changeable. So we can say the value of the constant, it does not change in a problem, while as the value of the variables, it keep changing in the problem. So thereafter we are having the polynomials. Dear viewers, polynomial, as the word itself is poly, it means many, and nomials means term. It means many termed problem will make a polynomial. Right now here I will write the definition of the polynomial. We can say a function p of x, which is in the form of a0 plus a1x plus a2 x square plus a3x cube dash 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 plus a n xn is called polynomial. So a function which is a p of x is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus dash dash dash, and last term I write here a n xn. In this problem we are having a1, a0, a1, a2, a3 and an. They are all known as the coefficient of the variables. So a0 here, a1, a2 dash dash dash, an, they are known as the coefficient of the variables. Here the variable is x, and a0, a1, a2, a3 and an, they are known as the coefficient of the variables. While as the n, this n is non-negative, it means it is the positive integer. So n is non-negative, or we can say it is positive integer. Non-negative integer, or we can write it as positive integer. So in this manner, it is now clear to you. A polynomial is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus dash dash an xn, where there is a0, a1, a2, a3 and an. They are the constant, as I have told you earlier. They are the coefficient of these variables, while the x is known as the variable in the equation. So if I will write here the few examples in order to understand it fully. Dear students, let's take first example, and that is x plus 2. Let's take x plus 2. It is a polynomial, and over integer, over some integer, it is a polynomial over integer. We can say because coefficient of this x, it is 1 and 2. They are positive integers. So we can say x plus 2, it is a polynomial over integer because coefficient 1 of variable x is having coefficient 1 here, and 2, they are the positive integers. If we will start here the second, we will take x square plus 4x plus 6. Here it is also a polynomial or integers here are the coefficient of x square is 1, the coefficient of x it is 4 and 6. They are all positive integers. Similarly, if I will sort here the third example, that is 1 by 2 x square plus 2x plus 3. It is also a polynomial but over rationals. As the coefficient of x square it is 1 by 2 and it is rational, and then 2 and 3, they are all 1 by 2, 2 and 3, they are rationals. So we can say this is also the polynomial but over rationals. This is polynomial but over integers. This is the polynomial over integers. Hope you understand it very well. Thank you.